Okay, so I've been out here for a little while in this heat, still a lot of fun, and I'm testing, again, this is the sugar weasel / honey badger clone that I have here. I am running a Tion thread-on suppressor here. This is their Tion CQB Grenadier. It is 9mm, but again, this will work for 30 caliber. Not everyone does. You have to kind of check with the manufacturer. This one will work with subs or supers in 300 blackout, which is what I'm running. I am running subs at this point. Again, this is very similar to the honey badger itself. And the fact is, I'm trying to make some of this as close as I can, so I'm trying to use the color scheme itself. This is a Geissele lower itself, and I'm also using the Geissele SDE trigger and the Geissele internals. Again, this is something similar to what the honey badger, the V2 version of it, ran. This is a forward control designs upper as well, and the rest of these are kind of a mix of Q parts. So again, this is a Q Shorty stock, this is a Q handguard and Q barrel itself. I do have a cherry bomb, but again, because I'm running the Tion right now, I don't have the Trash Panda yet, thanks ATF. That will be coming along later on. And I'm using the B5 grip, again, similar to what the honey badger itself uses. This is dialed in right now, just been doing 10 yards. This is supposed to be kind of a home defense gun, so I'm expecting everything to be pretty close overall. I can say that with the stock itself, pretty easy to take out. Again, I am left-handed, so it's a little bit more of a pain. Some people have a problem with it because, again, it's a little loose. It's not terrible. I've had no issues with it. And again, if I show you this quick, if you do go to kind of rest your cheek on it, you have to lean a little forward with it. So you're kind of putting your face up. Again, I have no problem with that at all. The only thing I noticed, again, is with being left-handed, if I'm shooting with it fully collapsed, there's a little bit of gas that comes back at me. Nothing I can really do about that one. Again, overall, it's been a blast. I've had no issues with it, actually. It's a little overgassed, as stated before. Again, I wanted to shoot at 3 o'clock position. It's shooting more towards the 4 or 5, so it's definitely overgassed. But because I'm using subs, it should work with supersonics without any issue. No issues ejecting. Again, I'll kind of give you a quick example here. So, again, been flawless, runs great. And really cool thing is with this is it's actually shorter than my AP5P. Again, shorter, and the fact is that if this is collapsed and it has a suppressor on it, it is shorter than the AP5P is with the current bracelets on there fully extended. So with that open, with the suppressor on there, again, same exact suppressor, this is smaller. This actually weighs less. Pretty crazy. And again, 300 blackout versus 9mm, there's no comparison with that. 300 blackout ballistics are just way more devastating. Again, amazing home defense weapon. Again, there's going to be some over penetration. That's a worry. So kind of know the layout of your house if you're using it for that one. Make sure you know what is safe, what's not safe to do it. Again, overall, I love this thing. It's super awesome. This will definitely be replacing my AP5P for the kind of current home defense weapon. But yeah, so I definitely suggest anybody who's interested in it, go out and make your own. There's no reason really to get the honey badger itself. Just do kind of either sugar weasel or kind of a mix like I've done. And yeah, get out there and shoot, enjoy it.